How to block ads on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are the Facebook ads annoying you and you want to block them? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. You need to open up your Facebook and then go to the three lines in the top left, and then from there scroll down, go to settings and privacy and tap on settings again. Go to account center, go to add preferences, and then here you can see advertisers you saw ad from. Just tap on see all, and then you can just tap on the advertiser that you want to hide ads from and tap on hide ads. There you go. You can do this for all of the advertisers you want to hide ads from. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.